Hello parents, my name is Miss DeLeon and I'm your student's 8th grade science teacher this year. I hope you all are doing well. So today what we're going to do is we're going to go through some information about 8th grade science and myself. So if you guys would like to follow along, I have everything posted for you guys right here. So we're going to first talk about our units that we're covering this year in 8th grade science. Right now your student is covering our weather unit. So we're currently in the weather unit. Following that, we will move on to plate tectonics, and then Earth, Sun, and Moon, astronomy, ecology, chemistry 1, chemistry 2, force and motion, and then finally our star review. So this is the exact order that we will be following throughout the year for our units. For star, as of right now, I know that we are taking our science star test on May 5th. Of 2021. That may change, I'm not entirely sure, but as of right now, that's the information we have been given. And if anything does change, I will let you guys know as well as my students. For absences and late work, all work will be provided in Schoology for the students. So every single thing is posted daily for the students on Schoology. Everything is organized by weekly folders, and then within that weekly folder, it has the day as well as the date so that they know exactly where they need to be. For late work, they do have 1 day per excused absence to make it up. So for instance, if they were absent for 2 days, then they have 2 days to make up the work without having any point deductions. Any unexcused late work will be deducted 5 points the first day, followed by an additional point after per the student handbook. Now for grades, we have major grades and minor grades. For our major grades, it's 60% of the final grade. And this is made up of our common assessments, any unit tests, bigger projects that we have, as well as labs. Our minor grades equal 40% of their final grade. And then the minor grades are made up of homework, notebook checks, group work, independent work, and quizzes. So for homework in my class, I only assign homework as needed. And when I do assign them, if you guys can see over here, I assign as needed and I give them at least 3 to 4 days to complete it. Homework includes things like their passports, any content related activity sheets, practice problems and things like that. So down here it says homework is due on the designated days based on block schedule at 11:59 p.m. in Schoology when I do assign it. And then ways to contact me. So as a parent, the best way for you guys to contact me would be through email, marissa.deleon@bisd.net. But I am also available by phone. Now, please note that if you do call during the school day, it directs you straight to my voicemail, I believe, because they don't want the phones ringing while we're teaching. So if you leave a voicemail, I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And then my conference period is daily 8th period from 2:55 to 3:45 p.m. So those are the ways that you guys can contact me if you ever have any questions or concerns. So when my students do come into my class, this is the first thing that they see. I have a template set up for them so they know exactly what it is that we're doing and everything that pretty much it has all the information they need for that day. So I start off with the date. I tell them exactly what materials they need out. As they know, the Chromebook is very important for them this year because everything that we're doing is online. So it is important for your student to come to class prepared with their Chromebook charged and ready to go. So I also give them reminders. So any important reminders that I need to remind them of are placed right here. I tell them what we did last time that I saw them, what we're doing the next time or the next week whenever I'm going to see them again. And then I give them exactly what we're doing for the day down here. And then as they come in, they do have a warm-up that they work on, and it's always content related. So at South Belton Middle School, we are practicing social distancing. So this is what the inside of my classroom looks like. This is where my students are placed throughout the class. And then we also have hand and surface sanitizer that we use when the kids are walking into the room. And then at the end of the class period, we go by, spray their desks to make sure everything is sanitized and safe for them to go to their next class. If you guys have any questions or any concerns at all, you guys can always email me. Like I said, you can give me a phone call. my students know that if they ever need anything, they can contact me through Schoology. So like I said, if you guys have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at any time. And I really hope you guys have a good evening. Thank you.